What's going on? Today, I gotta fix eensy-weensy problem that I have with my current build. So, the Mach 100 project is going well. I got the Mach 1 motor in the Lincoln Town Car, no, it's not a Town Car, what is it? Mercury Grand Marquis chassis. But I added, for this build, a nice road race pan. You see, from Canton right there. The problem came when I added the windage tray in between. So by the time you add the thicker pan, the reusable gasket, the windage tray, RTV, and sandwich all together, yeah, that added about 3/16 of an inch. So I figured 1/4 inch, give me 1/8 inch clearance. Hoping, because I don't want to do this twice. Pan hits the cross member. It's really hard to see here. Yeah, it's resting on the cross member right over there. Now, it's just barely touching it, but I gotta fix it because, I mean, I could leave it, but it's gonna make more noise, may rattle. It'll self-clearance over time, but I don't wanna deal with any of that. I figured fix the problem, so I got some steel. Let's make a shim. I'm really getting tired of taking this motor out of here. I mean, at least this time I don't have to take it all the way out like I had before because of stupid mistakes. I only gotta lift it up a little bit, getting access to the bottom of the motor mounts. So that means I still gotta get the engine hoist out and lift it up. I wanna get the body over on this. Oh yeah. It's just sitting there, okay? Fine. I just put there so stuff wouldn't fall in there. Plus it'll look cool. Since I figured making a shim is pretty freaking boring, I figured I would share a little information with you guys on, you know, something that I ran into a problem with that I don't think everybody understands. Where the hell do you buy metal from? When you're working on projects like this, I mean, you see on all the car shows, and just like I do, oh yeah, we're just gonna make this custom bracket. We're just gonna do this. Well, step one, where the heck do I buy metal from? Now, the particular piece of metal that I got came from Lowe's. I actually checked out Home Depot first. They didn't have what I wanted. I really wanted 1/4 inch thick because I want the shim to be done, one and done. Not I make a shim and go, oh, I need a little more room. I'm wrong. Lowe's and Home Depot are great places to go pick up things like steel. In my case, Lowe's was a much better place to go buy it because they had exactly what I wanted. I wasn't looking to buy a 6-foot long piece of 1/4 inch steel. I needed just a 1/4 inch plate that I can chop into 3 sections. And I wanted it to be at least 4 inches wide so I can shave it down the exact size I need. Anything shorter than that, I didn't think I was going to have enough. Plate was 14 bucks. Nice and easy. I cut, I shave, I drill a hole, it goes in, done. That sounds all nice and easy. For you guys, it would probably be, I don't know, 5 minutes. For me, it's going to be about 5 hours, probably, because I want to take my time and do it right, because I don't want to go back and do this again. One down. One more to go. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with this. I chamfered the edges a little bit. Nothing crazy. I really wanted to be able to chamfer this so it helps center the hole, but I don't get that luxury because I don't have a drill bit that big to do that. So, whatever. It's gonna get the job done. When you want to order metal, online it's the easiest and cheapest place generally. If you have a place local, I always recommend go local to pick it up. It's easier. They're willing to work with you if you have a place that's willing to do it. Let's be honest. If you've never been in this world before, blue-collar people can be a little rough around the edges sometimes, but generally they have somebody nice up front. It depends. Most of the mechanics I hired over the years, whoo, they were not people. Hell, I used to not be people. Then I had to deal with people for a living because I became the boss. I became a people person. Ish. A little bit. Take me with a grain of salt. Like a whole lot of salt. Like ocean level salt. Where am I going with this? I don't know. MetalDepot.com, if you guys want to check it out. No sponsorship. I don't get any affiliate or anything like that. If they have one, I didn't know about it, so whatever. I don't care. I just want to help you guys get your projects done. I gotta paint this thing. And I gotta make another one. Then I put the engine down. Then I gotta work on the transmission. Then I gotta work on ordering the metal. And then I get the headers on. Then I have so much to do. so much. I need you to help me. Help me, help me, help you, help me, help you, help the car. Right? Make sense? Good. Shim one. That'll open there. Come on, then. Move out of the way. There we go. Shim two. Is in. Finally. Engine's in. I just gotta tighten up the bolts. And she is good to go. Just gotta lock her down. I wish there was a way for me to show you the gap. But it's a pretty small gap. So, you know what? It's at least a gap. That's all I care about. But, so, yeah. If you guys need to pick up metal, metaldepot.com. Check out local. You know, just want to help you build your own cars, get your own stuff going. Get your projects. There's a lot of things I didn't know that I had to learn that nobody told me. So I had to find out the hard way. Trying to make it easy for you. But until next time, go work on your own cars. Probably next is going to be the transmission because I got some funky sensor over here that's leaking transmission fluid all over my floor. Until next time, peace.